My name is Hannah Morris-Guy and I studied a BA Honours in English Literature and History, and I absolutely loved studying at Swansea University. It was amazing, meeting new people, and the whole experience is fantastic.
It's just getting to meet new people and making new friends, and I know that some of them now are coming back, and I'm hoping to come back again to do a Masters, so it'd be good to see them all again.
Brilliant. And you're obviously very proud?
Very proud of her.
I'm Anna, I studied history at Swansea University.
And I'm Josie, and I did the same.
And what did you enjoy about studying history at Swansea University?
Really the vast amount of stuff you could do, just modules from all over the time periods. So yeah, I like the selection.
Yeah, really good. It's a really good university as well. It's really nice being by the beach, and all the teachers are really nice, so definitely recommend it.
Was it easy to make friends as a student at Swansea?
Definitely,
Yeah.
everyone's so friendly. Yeah, couldn't recommend it more.
Yeah, we've been friends since first year, still friends, so yeah.